Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another unboxing to share with you and it is Toyl, Time of Your Life subscription box. So if you're new to Toyl, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it, but if you've seen it all before and you're just curious in seeing what's inside the September box, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. Toyl stands for Time of Your Life and it's a beauty, pamper, self-care subscription box for women 35 years and older. It was created by Karen, who's an award-winning beauty blogger and also an Amazon best-selling author, and as well as running the subscription, she also does podcasts and interviews with the brands featured inside the box and also has an active YouTube channel as well. This is a UK only subscription box and the cost of the box is £35 and that includes shipping. Karen's kindly given me a code to share with you which entitles you to receive £5 off your first box, bringing it down to £30, and that is geek. I think it is. Oh my gosh, my brain has just completely gone blank. I think it is anyway, but I'll pop it down below in my description as well as links to the subscription. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that will bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. The value of the boxes come in at a minimum of £100 and features products dedicated to women of a certain age that not only want quality products but products that actually work from a source that can tell you how to use them for game-changing results. This box was kindly gifted to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel, and I think that's it as far as information goes. If I've missed anything out then please ask away, but let's get on to showing you what's inside. So as you may have seen, there was a little card here, details everything about the product, so I'll refer to this as we go along and I'll give you a sneak peek first. So welcome to your September box. This is your Super Serum September. Serums are the money shot in the beauty world. If you're going to go spendy, this is where you dig down the back of the sofa to find that extra budget. This box has two of the most expensive serums on the market, 15 mils in total, and 3 products to help them max out on what they can do for you. Enjoy, Karen. And this month's box has a value of £149.95. There's a little announcement in the booklet as well. They are changing how you preview next month's box. Normally you'd receive an email with links to spoilers so you're able to see what the following month's box is going to be, and if it's not for you then you are able to pause your subscription. But from the 18th of this month they're not going to send out any emails anymore, but if you are curious in seeing what the following month's boxes are like, you'll be able to see them on Instagram, Facebook or YouTube from the 18th of the month onwards. So back to the contents then. Let's start with a heat mask. So we've got a heat mask for your eyes, Sensory Retreats Dreamy Eye Self-Heating Sleep Mask, Soothing Jasmine Scent. I've tried a few different heat masks, but I don't think many of them have had a scent, but I like the idea of that. So I'm not going to open it up because if I open it up it'll be activated. You might be able to see there. If you've never used these before, they are really, really lovely. The soft mask that you hook behind your ears, and then within a couple of minutes it'll start to warm up. It does feel quite warm, but obviously not enough to burn you, but it is really relaxing. I do really like them. My daughter likes them as well. The recommended retail price for this mask is £3.99. I'm not doing this in order. It says here, serum applied, eye cream on. Try out this heated eye mask with Soothing Jasmine. It's a really unusual sensation but oh so soothing and helps absorption of your gorgeously expensive serums. So there's that. Next we've got a cleansing cloth by Magnetone. This is Wipeout Supernaturals 100% bamboo microfiber cleansing cloth. Removes makeup with just water, eco-friendly and all natural fibres. Now again, these are a staple in this house. Oh, I didn't realise, I thought there might be just one large one in here, but no, we've got 2 of them. And they're big ones as well. Oh, they are lovely. They are super, super soft. And yeah, they do remove makeup with just water. Really handy cloths. And there's some information about how to use them, how to look after them, how to wash them, etc. The recommended retail price for these cloths is £20. This cloth can remove all makeup with just water, no soap or cleanser, making it eco-friendly, perfect for sensitive skin, and just all around brilliant. So there's those. Next up we've got a Bio Effect Serum. This is their EGF serum and there's 5 mils here. And this is made in Iceland. This is one of 2 serums in the box, and this has a recommended retail value of £50. I've tried this before and I do really like it. This is an award-winning product. Every beauty editor I've read has raved about this product. Created from barley, which is grown in Iceland on volcanic rock in a massive greenhouse, it is the ultimate in serums, but my goodness, is it expensive. Try it, you'll understand why. So that's the first of the serum. Next we've got one by Toyl, and this is Venom Super Serum. We've got 10 mils here. It says Extreme Performance Serum with melatonin, peptides, stem cells, biomimetic, growth factors and marine collagen. I love this brand. Again, it's quite a pricey brand, but the products are stunning. I absolutely love them. Yeah, the recommended retail price for this size is £60, and it's another award-winning product. This serum mimics the effects of Botox by controlling muscle contractions to reduce expression lines using high concentrations of synthetically replicated bee venom. And then lastly, we've got a facial tool. This is by Toyl Paris, I think. I just read that, didn't I? Yeah, Toyl Contouring Facial Roller. I really like that. I really like it. These move. These move. Oh. I can imagine that feeling amazing. I've got a rose quartz facial roller, but I haven't got one of these. I haven't got a 2-headed roller like this. Oh, I do really like them. Yeah. I looked at gua shas, but I don't think they are a patch on this. Our skin needs a light touch as it thins with age, and this roller is perfect for us to control easily whilst lifting skin, aid in drainage and smoothing fine lines. Absolutely use with the serums. And the recommended retail price is £16, and it says here I'll post a video on our YouTube, Facebook to help you get the best from this, as well as instructions over leaf. Where is it? Oh yeah. We got it on the back there, telling you how to use it. And it says here, top tip, keep your contouring facial roller in the fridge for extra depuff. Oh, yeah, I do really like that. So those are all the products inside this month's Toyl box. I'll just go through it all, giving you a bit of a recap. So we've got a Sensory Retreat Dreamy Eye Mask with scent of jasmine. We've got Effect EGF Serum. We've got 2 large full-size Magnetone cleansing cloths. We've got a Toyl Bee Venom Super Serum. And lastly, we've got a Toyl Paris, a facial roller. So the cost of the box is £35, and it has a value of £145.95. I've tried a few of the items in the box before and I really like them. The EGF serum I do really like. The Magnetone cloths as well, we use them daily. So yeah, they always come in handy. The Bee Venom serum, I haven't tried that before, but I absolutely love Toyl. I love their vitamin C range. That's my favourite of this. The vitamin C range is amazing. The tool, the Toyl Paris tool, I haven't got one of those, and the eye mask as well, the relaxation eye mask. We always use those in the house, so yeah, I know I'm gonna like it. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Are you a subscriber? Have you received your box yet? Or are you watching this for the first time, wondering if this is for you or not? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.